see where I purchased my large glitter shakers and also what type of glue you should use with glitter, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today this is going to be just a really quick simple video. I'm doing like a little small glitter haul, but it's only going to be on the glitters that I received from papermart.com. I purchased these. So let me just go ahead and get started. A lot of you asked where I get my big glitter shakers from, and I get them from Papermart because I just got them years ago, and the ones that I have from years ago, many uses, it's only missing like about this much. So I really like these glitters. The only thing I don't like about this website is that the shipping isn't free. So the shipping was about $14, but when you consider how large this is 1 pound. So the first one I have, like, I'm really into like chunky glitters now, so I have like this confetti chunky glitter. I have one similar to this that I purchased from Michael's. It's a lot smaller and it was $7.99. This was about $8, no more than $8 or $9, and this is called Silver Blue. So I have that. You know, you can't go wrong with the silver. I actually need to get a chunky gold. Then I'll show you the glitters that I already had previously from them as well. I'm missing a couple of them. I don't know where they are. Now, these aren't all the glitters I have. If I did a true glitter haul, this whole table would probably be covered. I have lots of glitters from Walmart's, from Michael's, from all over the place, Amazon, but these are my favorite because of the size. They last so long and the price isn't bad. Okay, so I have the silver, and then this box is all beat up. I'm not sure why. It's even a screw inside of it. Okay, so the next color, and this looks a little sheer, so hopefully if I use a couple coats of it, it won't be as sheer as it looks. But this one is called Rainbow Yellow. See, it has that holographic effect to it. I like holographic glitters that hit off multiple colors. I just think it makes it look even sparklier and prettier. Also, again, this is a 1 pound jar of glitter. So I have yellow, because I didn't have yellow. Well, I have a yellow, but it's different. So anyway, I have this lime green one. I thought this was a really pretty color. I have a green, but I don't have like this lime green color. So that's why I got this one. And this one isn't chunky. It's a fine glitter, not an extra fine. And once again, this was about $9. I like how they have it all taped up. The only thing, sometimes these tops on here can break, so I just end up taping them down. But I cannot wait to try these out. I'm gonna probably do some CROCs with these in some other videos, and also some wine bottles. So I have this purple, which is so deep, dark, and pretty. It's not a chunky, it's a fine glitter, and this also is 1 pound, and it's called Royal Purple, and I cannot wait to try this out. Last but not least, and for some reason this one isn't a pound, it's only 8 ounces, but it's still a nice size jar, but you see it is smaller. This one is a multi hexagon glitter. So it's also a chunky, but you see it has multiple colors in it. Whenever I see this glitter at Michael's, like in a bigger shaker like this, it's always sold out. So I have like a really teeny tiny one. So I always said if I see this and it's in stock, because last time I checked, this was out of stock on their website as well. I really can't wait to use this one. So I just got these 6 glitters, but really the best type of glue, in my opinion, to use with glitter, usually people use a Mod Podge. I really like to use Mod Podge. Of course, you want to get gloss. And I got this off Amazon, so Mod Podge is really good. You can seal with Mod Podge. I don't. You can, but I don't. I seal my glitters with Tri-Art liquid glass, because I just feel like it gives it a better shine. Now also, let me just show you. I believe I'm missing at least 2, but let me move these to the side. I have this, and remind you, I had these at least 2 or 3 years, and you see there's barely any missing from this. And I actually even let someone borrow this who needed this particular color to do some glasses or something, and she did some type of glasses. She did about 10 glasses for like a bridal party, and it's still, it's barely any missing. So this is a very pretty holographic fuchsia. This is one of my absolute favorites. As you can see, it's missing quite a bit, but to have had it as long as I did is not bad. And also considering I did a whole shoe with this. I have a video doing a pair of Vans with this. So that's probably why this one is missing so much. But this one is called Dark Purple. And this one is a fine glitter. So it's not extra fine, but it's a lot smaller. Like it's a lot smaller than this one. I don't know if you could tell the difference or not. Another one I have is red. Now this one did actually spill. And then the top broke off. So that one is missing that much for that reason. Love this red. This red has such a nice coverage. Then I have this really pretty pink. It's called Purple Pink, and it's also a holographic glitter. I also have this holographic gold. I love this gold. This was missing quite a bit because I just use it like that, I guess. But I really want to get a chunky, I do have a chunky one from Michael's, but I want to get a bigger shaker of it. I love this gold. This blue is absolutely beautiful. And this is, it just says it's a dark blue and it's also a holographic. Then I have this green. This green is really pretty and it is a fine glitter also. Now what's missing from here, I also had, I also have a black glitter, but it's a black blue. And I feel like I have one more color. But these are all the glitters that I have from Paper Mart. It may be confusing when you go to their website, because if you go to their website, they sell like bubble mailers and they sell like poly bags. They sell bubble wrap, like stuff like that, packing and shipping materials. But you have to like maybe put in the search, they also have glitter. So if you're looking for large glitters like that last for a long time and like really pretty colors, you might want to check out Paper Mart. So this does conclude this video, but I will be using my new glitters, which I cannot wait. So that's that. And here's a good glue to use with them. Okay,
check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.
You can follow me on Instagram at lifeisawholevibe with underscores in between each word. And I am almost at 19,000 subscribers. So hello to all of my new subscribers. Hello to all of my subscribers. Thanks again, you guys, for supporting this channel and watching this video. Bye-bye.